Hi friends, welcome to video number 6, which is very crucial, very important for us. Smart decision fast. Smart decisions aren't hard, they just need the right process. Let me show you how. Every great decision starts with a simple framework. I call it the ADA method: analyze, decide, and act. Let me break it down. First one is analyze. Analyze means look at your options clearly and what are the pros, cons, and possible outcomes. Example: you are deciding whether to take on a new project. Does this align with my goal or your goal? If you have to see it before taking the decision. Second one, decide. Choose the best option based on your analysis. Don't get stuck overthinking or analysis or paralysis category. Just pick what feels right with the available information or available resources. Here, one more tip I would give: trust your gut, but back it up with facts. You don't blind. Third one is act. Implement your decision without hesitation. Action creates momentum and clarity. The beauty of ADA, its simplicity. It works for small daily choices and life changing decisions. The faster you practice, the easier decision become. Now I bring my mind map and you can understand I some of the tips is there. So on the mind map, now we are the sixth. I say smart decision fast means what is smart decision? It's not as I told you, it's not hard or more. It's not a quantity. You have to take. You are. It's not about the specific outcome. It's about the less effort. It's about the quality. It's about the right process. It's about the freedom. I'll tell you what is the right method, right process. If you adopt the process, by default your decision will be right. Like Ratan Tata says, I think you remember or you heard about it. He said, I don't believe in the right decisions. I believe in the decisions and believe to prove it was right. So that's why decision should not take analyze paralysis. So ADA I have discussed already. Analyze, decide, and act. You don't think too much or waste your time. You analyze first what is the things, and on the basis of, I would recommend here the take the decision on databases. Don't take on the basis of emotions or biasness. So you have to think about it. Then take the decision on that basis, and they take the act. Now I am taking second tip is WRT method. Here WRT is the means wisely, rightly, and timely. If you are not taking the decision wisely, then it will be problem. If you are not taking the decision rightly, if you are taking the decision, you know the decision, what decision is right, but you are taking the decision on the basis of biasness, you have some attachment with someone and you are taking the favor of that person, that it's a problem. Third one is timely. Suppose you want to take, you have taken the decision wisely, rightly, but it takes after a long time, and so that time it's very important. Time has gone, you left your market, and sometimes we people say that it's a time of indecision is very, I can say that it's a symbol of procrastination. Procrastination never become good for anyone. I would recommend decision take fast and smart decisions. If you are taking these decisions smartly and right process, and smart decisions give you freedom. What's the freedom? Freedom is not the only money. It's not a freedom of you are not doing anything. So there are some freedom as per my understanding or my learnings. It's a freedom of time, it's a freedom of money, it's a freedom of relationship, it's a freedom of purpose. What purpose you have taken or you have chosen, you have the freedom. Time. If you have the time, what you want to do, some of the urgency is there. If you don't want to do that work and you take the decision, such kind of the freedom you should have. It can happen only in your business, your ownership task. Second is money. It means you should have the, if you are taking the right decisions, you will get definitely the abundance of money. Money is the sense what need you want in your life. You don't hesitate to spend that money to buy anything. Anything means it's not beyond the unnecessary thing in the luxury life. I am saying that whatever you need in your life, you can buy it. Something is the relationship. Relationship means you should also have the freedom of relationship. Means if you don't want to make relationship continue to someone, so sometimes I don't believe on the break the relationship, but sometimes it happens like that. So you should have the freedom to break it, or you should have the freedom to make the relationship with someone. Relationship is not talking about only on one directions. You can understand relationship is about the friend, it's about the business, it's about the business collaboration in the business. You should have the freedom like that. If you are taking the smart decisions, it will give you freedom. Now it's your turn. Use the ADA method for your next decision, big or small. Take action today and notice how it simplifies your life. Remember, smart decision build a smart life. Start with this framework and you will always be ahead. Please, before moving the next video, I would recommend to share your learnings and which method you are adopting to execute in your life.